Let's do this question. A block of 100 into 100 mm base and 10 millimeter height is there. When we apply a tangential force 10 kilonewton tangential force to the upper edge, means upper edge like this. This is the 3D body is there. Three-D body is there with 10 into 10. This is 3D height 10 mm and length is given at, oh sorry,
10 100 mm
ये
100
base
100 हाइट और वो है
हाँ height is given, means you have to 3D बनाना पड़ेगा यहाँ 3D diagram. कैसे होता है ऐसे तो जो भी हो
ठीक है
height is given 10 mm
yes
and this is the
yes
base, this is the base
this is 100 हाँ
and base dimension is 100 into 100 means this is also 100.
100
Okay, 100 into 100 millimeter. When you apply a tangential force of 10 kilonewton to the upper edge, this is the upper edge.
yes
Edge, the edge means corner, edge of 10 kilonewton force is applying. The upper edge displaced by 1 mm, means this edge is displaced by 1 mm, means delta equal to 1 mm relative to lower face. This is the lower face and this is the new, this is the new point after displacement. See, so this displacement is 1 mm. Then the direct shear stress in the element. What I said, shear stress, what is the formula for the shear stress?
the displacement of point upon the
Is shear
length
stress, this is a stress. A stress is force per unit area.
stress
Yeah.
हाँ
This is shear stress,
okay.
not a strain. Shear
Yes,
stress is the force per unit area. What is force? Force कितना given है? Force is given as 10 kilonewton.
10 into 10 की power 3
10 into 10 to power 3. ठीक है?
yes.
And what is the area of the base? In this part, you have to take the area of the base. Okay? In shear stress, the area, this area will be area of the base. That means 100 into 100 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, after that it will be 10 to the power 6 Pascal. कट जाएगा 10 to the power 4 and 10 to the power 4 will cut down. Answer will be 10 to the power 6 Pascal. Any confusion here about shear stress?
No.
Now?
No, sir.
And now shear strain. What is shear strain? It is denoted by gamma.
Yes.
Shear strain is delta by L. What is delta given here? 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter. What is length given?
100.
Sorry, length no. This height.
Height.
10
mm.
10
mm. So it is 0.1. Shear strain is 0.1 mm.
ये भी dimensionless हाँ
Yeah, obviously L by L
हाँ
means meter means distance by distance will be dimensionless.
हम्म,
Now a confusion clear about shear stress is equal to and shear strain. ठीक है, shear stress क्या होता है? Force per unit area. What is this force? This is tangential force. Okay, remember this force is the tangential force. And area of the base. Remember area of base means this into this. And shear strain, what is delta by L? This is the delta displacement, and L whatever this length which is displacing means जो length displaced हो रहा है, whatever the length which is displacing is L. This is called L. Now I think it is clear about the formula.
ठीक ठीक
Any doubt? Okay. After the class, please try to solve each examples, and also theory is also given for each type of stress and strain, and try to study about also theory. Now, third type of strain, volumetric strain. From volumetric strain, which is given by EV, it is clear that change in volume per unit
by
original volume.
volume
Yeah. Volumetric strain means change in volume by volume. ये तो clear है from the name. From name it is clear. Change in volume by volume.
yes
ठीक है? Which is denoted by EV. EV. V minus V naught by V naught. Change in volume means final volume minus initial volume divided by initial volume V naught, which is also given by P by K. P is the force and K is the constant for the volumetric strain. This K is the constant which will be given. K यहाँ से आता है modulus of elasticity. ये volume of modulus of elasticity K. ठीक है? K is the volume modulus of elasticity. Everyone write this volumetric strain. Delta V is the final volume, V naught is the original volume, and delta V is the change in volume. And also this is also dimensionless. Okay? All type of strains are dimensionless. Okay? Dimensionless quantity means there is no dimension. Delta V by V volumetric strain, it consists of both the axes. I said it before. A strain in x direction, a strain in y direction, and a strain in z direction. In the all the three direction. ये होता है ना in coordinate system, x direction,
yes
y direction, and z direction.
direct
Means if a body is there, like say this is the body. Means whatever the strain in x direction, means whatever the strain is delta x, delta y, and delta z will give the volumetric strain. This is in 3 axes: delta x, delta y, delta z.
Yes, sir.
Now this is very important. Everyone write this: Young's modulus of elasticity, bulk modulus of rigidity G, and volume modulus of elasticity K. Write down the formula. After that we will discuss about the
Yes.
formula. What this denotes. Be clear?
That's the last.
मॉडल्स ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी जो स्टेट किया गया है
क्या?
आई थिंक जो मॉडल्स ऑफ इलास्टिसिटी जो स्ट्रेन दिया गया है उसको स्ट्रेन दिया गया है ना डेल्टा बाय एल
Modulus of elasticity वही delta P means change in force by volumetric strain. Force by volumetric strain.
और सर ये आर किस चीज को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहे हैं?
R कहाँ पे?
यही
अच्छा, ये
जिस बगल में। हाँ।
ये R क्या कहते हैं? ये तो वॉल्यूम रेडियस कर दिया है क्या? रेडियस
सर ये यंग मॉडल का जो है फार्मूला दिया हुआ है इसके वो सही है
हाँ, Young's modulus means
स्ट्रेस अपॉन स्ट्रेन।
stress upon strain. ठीक है? Stress is force per unit area P by A and the strain is delta L by L. तो वही तो दिया है, तो ठीक है. P is the force, A is the area, delta is the change in length, delta L, L is the length. लिख लिया सब ये ना, तो लेट्स डिस्कस.
हाँ, यस सर।
Young's modulus of elasticity. ठीक है? Young's, this is the most important. पूरा 1 month is we will use this elasticity for next 1 month. This is given by a stress upon a strain.
स्ट्रेन
What is the, how you denote the stress? By sigma.
पी अपॉन ए। हाँ, सेकंड।
E is the strain, stress by strain. What is the formula for the stress? Stress का formula क्या होता है? Stress means force per unit area. P by A. P by A, force per unit area. ठीक है? What is the E means strain?
डेल्टा एल बाई एल।
Delta L by L. This is called the Young's modulus of elasticity, denoted by E. Clear हो गया formula?
Yes.
Let's do a question for the Young's modulus of elasticity. Find change in length when a stress is 10 megapascal and length is 100 centimeter. ठीक है? And Young's modulus of elasticity is 1 into 10 to the power 5. In SI unit. How you calculate the change in length? Delta L. Just put the value in the formula.
सर इसको 100 को अपन मीटर में कन्वर्ट करेंगे ना?
Yeah, obviously you have to do that. अगर convert नहीं करोगे ना तो फिर whatever the delta will come will be in centimeter. अगर convert नहीं करोगे delta L जो आएगा without conversion you have to put it in centimeter. So anybody? Just put the values in the formula.
100 आ रहा था.
Okay, sir.
Sigma by E. This is the formula, stress by strain. What is E? 10 to the power 5. What is sigma? Sigma कितना दिया हुआ?
10 to the power 6.
No.
Into में
10 megapascal. 10 into 10 to the
हाँ
power
हाँ भाई
6
10 into 10 to
pascal.
the power 6.
Yeah. And a strain. A strain is delta L upon
Delta L.
L. L is given.
L. Yes sir.
1 meter.
10 to the power 7 into how much given length? 100 centimeter. 100
Yes.
centimeter. तो इसको सेंटीमीटर में रहने दो. Whatever delta will come will be in centimeter. Delta L. कितना आएगा delta L?
10,000 सेंटीमीटर आ जा रहा है.
हाँ सर वो 10,000 हो जाएगा ना, वहां से 1 हटा देंगे अगर अपन.
नहीं समझे.
बहुत ज्यादा है मतलब ये
बहुत ज्यादा लेंथ आ जा रहा है.
हाँ
अरे वो एक्चुअली वो वैल्यूज में प्रॉब्लम है. 10 to the minus 0.1 कर दो.
100 meter.
Yes.
100 meter.
फिर भी ज्यादा आ रहा है. Okay. Let's do it 10 to the power 8. Now solve this. So I think it will be 10 centimeter.
Yes sir, 10 centimeter.
Yeah, somewhat it is acceptable. Little bit, not so. 10 per, let's say E is 10 to the power 8. Means generally E का value होता है E to 10 to the power 9, 10 to the power 10 like that. ठीक है? Write down another question. Find E, Young's modulus of elasticity. ठीक है? When force of 1000 Newton is applied on cross-sectional area of 0.001 millimeter square whose
millimeter square. Millimeter square.
मीटर स्क्वायर मिलीमीटर में तो कम से कम 100 तक पहुंच जाता है whose strain is delta L by 10 to the power minus 3. Find this.
तो 1000 आएगा.
कितना?
1000.
Let's see. Force is given at 1000. Area is given at 0.001. And whose strain 10 to the power 3. 10 to the minus 3. So I think it is 10 to the power 9 आएगा.
हाँ सर. साथ में बता दिया.
Yes sir, 9 hours.
Yeah. 1000. ये भी this can be written also as 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. It will be 10 to the power 9. ठीक है?
हाँ.
Young's modulus of elasticity clear हो गया? It is stress by strain. Now another second is modulus of rigidity means shear modulus of
Shear stress
elasticity.
upon shear stress.
Yeah. G modulus of rigidity. It is given by G. इसको न्यू क्या G को क्या कहते हैं? Modulus
Shear modulus.
of rigidity, or you can say shear modulus. Means shear means stress, shear stress. What?
Shear strain.
Shear strain.
Strain.
Means what type of question can be made from here? If
It's same
3D
like your modulus.
if 3D object is there, let's say it's a 3D object whose base is 100 in by 100 and height is 10 mm, only in mm, and the force is applying here of 10 to the 4 Newton, and it is displaced. This point is displaced by 2 millimeter. ठीक है? 2 millimeter. So now, can you give me the G value? Anyone?
Yes, sir.
For finding the G, you have to first calculate the stress, shear stress, then shear strain. ठीक है? What is the shear stress here?
10 to the power 4.
Force per unit area, stress मतलब force per unit area. Force is 10 to the power 4. Area is
Yes.
area of the base. Area of base is 100
100 की
to
power
100
4.
into 10 to the power minus 6 by converting
6.
it in meter square. So 10 to the power 6
10 to
पास्कल हो जाएगा. ये 100 कट जाएगा ना 10 to the power 4. Now shear strain. How much will be the shear strain?
sigma upon L.
0.2.
Del upon L.
Delta upon L.
2.
What is delta? 2 mm.
Sir, 2.
What is this length on which force is applying? 10.
10.
by 10. Both are in mm, so it will be
Yes.
1 by 5 is 0.2. Okay. Now, what will be the G value?
10 to the power 6.
10 power 6 divided by 0.2. 5 into 10 power 7. Can you say what will be the dimension of G?
5 into 10 to the power 6 होगा सर.
Yes, sir.
क्या?
5 into 10 to the power 6 होगा ना.
अच्छा हाँ 10 power 6 होगा. What will be the dimension of G? G का dimension क्या होगा?
Sir, square.
पास्कल होगा सर.
क्या?
Per meter square.
पास्कल होगा सर. पास्कल होगा.
Yeah, Newton per meter square.
Newton
Because
per meter.
because it is stress by
Yes, sir.
10. Stress का unit होता है. Stress unit is Newton per meter square. But this is dimensionless. Dimensionless. So overall unit will be Newton per meter square. ठीक है? ये क्लियर हो गया? किसी को डाउट है
हाँ.
अबाउट जी?
No, sir.
ओके. नाउ क्या था थर्ड पार्ट?
Volumetric.
This is clear. This is also clear. Now bulk modulus or
Bulk mod.
volume modulus elasticity. Before that, write this relation.
Yes.
लिख लिया. Okay. Bulk modulus or volume modulus of elasticity. Bulk modulus, it is given by force per unit volumetric strain. ठीक है? तो इससे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आता नहीं है जनरली.
वो रिलेशन से आते हैं ना सर.
हाँ वो रिलेशन से आता है बट इससे डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन आता नहीं है जनरली. दिस इज गिवन बाय फोर्स पर यूनिट चेंज इन वॉल्यूम बाय वॉल्यूम मींस force per unit volumetric strain. So it can be asked like sigma x is equal to 1 centimeter, sigma y is equal to 2 centimeter, sigma z is equal to 1 centimeter, P is given as 10^6 Newton. So find
Yes, sir.
B, bulk modulus. How you will find B, bulk modulus?
10 to the power 6 upon 4. 4 नहीं.
Bulk modulus is given by P by sigma B means strain of volumetric strain. Volumetric strain is given by sigma x plus sigma y plus sigma z. What is sigma 1? Sigma x 1 centimeter plus sigma y 2 centimeter plus sigma z is 1 centimeter means 4 centimeter. So what is P given? P is, I have said it 10^6 divided 4 into 10 to the minus 2 millimeter. So this will give the value जो भी होगा 10^8 by 4
Yes,
into
sir.
5 into 10^6. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
Bulk modulus, just remember what is bulk modulus. P by delta B by V. Generally question is asked from the relation.
सर इसको अपन ये 25 न्यूटन पर मीटर लिख सकते हैं.
25 हाँ 120 हाँ 25 ही होगा.
किलो मेगा न्यूटन m/n.
This is Newton and this is in by meter, Newton by per meter.
हाँ
यूनिट हो जाएगा।
आपका इलास्टिसिटी होता है सबका न्यूटन पर मीटर स्क्वायर ही होता है ना सर। फिर इसका जो देखने को मिल रहा है बल्क मॉडुलस में न्यूटन पर मीटर कैसे हो गया सर। इवन सर इसमें जो है आपका
किसमें?
फोर्स बाय एरिया।
हेलो।
वॉल्यूम आ गया है इसलिए।
अच्छा फिर भी
बट वो स्ट्रेन का तो यूनिट तो हमेशा यूनिटलेस होता है स्ट्रेन।
उससे मतलब ही नहीं मेरे ख्याल से अपन को, है ना?
हाँ
मतलब डायमेंशन से
अच्छा,
उसके।
हाँ डायमेंशन, ये याद रखना क्या मतलब रिलेशन, दिस रिलेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। क्वेश्चन जनरली ये इससे आता है मोस्टली,
तीनों का
रिलेशन
रिलेशन भी।
या रिलेशन बिटवीन व्हाट इज ई, एंड ये बहुत कंफ्यूजिंग होता है। ई क्या होता है, के व्हाट इज के, व्हाट इज जी, दिस इज वेरी कंफ्यूजिंग। व्हाट इज ई?
यंग मॉडुलस।
यंग्स मॉड्यूलस।
सर अभी जो
व्हाट
बल्क
इज,
मॉडुलस निकाल रहे थे उसको के बोलते हैं ना अपन?
हाँ के, एंड व्हाट इज ई हो गया, व्हाट इज के, बल्क
बल्क
मॉड्यूलस।
मॉडुलस।
व्हाट इज जी? मॉड्यूलस ऑफ रिजिडिटी
मॉडुलस शेयर मॉडुलस।
रिजिडिटी।
या और शियर मॉड्यूलस, जिसमें शियर का स्ट्रेस बाय स्ट्रेन लेते हैं, ठीक है। आफ्टर दैट अनदर थिंग इज म्यू, पॉइजन्स रेशियो। ये भी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग।
सर इसके 2-3 फॉर्मूले निकल आते हैं ना?
किसके? पॉइजन्स रेशियो के?
हाँ
वो तो ई और जी दिया है, वो इट डिपेंड्स व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन।
यस सर।
वो ई और जी से निकालना है या फिर यहाँ से सिग्मा वाई सिग्मा एक्स से निकालना है, इट डिपेंड्स। पॉइजन्स रेशियो इज द, ये lateral strain by longitudinal strain, ठीक है। सिग्मा एक्स means, let's say this is the rod, and due to the application of force, if force is applied, you are stretching this rod, then its length will increase, length increase होगा, ठीक है। that means this is called sigma x, means this is the x direction, means a strain means change in length in x direction, divided by, there will be increase in, there will be also decrease in the diameter. What happen if you stretch a rubber?
सर डिक्रीज होगा ना सर।
हाँ ऑब्वियसली डिक्रीज होगा। If you stretch a rubber, let's say this is the rubber, stretch करोगे from both side, its length will increase,
यस सर।
length will increase, but its total volume, volume तो constant होगा ना, volume will be constant, so length increase होगा। to maintain the volume constant, the diameter will decrease, means ये पतला हो जाएगा, it will become thin। You can imagine, if तुम्हारे पास अगर कोई तार होगा, if you have wire or something, stretch it, then you will see that after stretching it becomes thin, means there is a change in diameter also. So whatever this change in diameter means a strain in diameter, this is called delta sigma y. So it's a strain in y direction, this is called sigma y. Is it clear? This value gives the sigma y, and this value, this will give the sigma x. दोनों का
सिग्मा
डिवीजन
वाई
मींस
नेगेटिव रहेगा.
obviously one is increasing and one is decreasing, so maintain the Poisson's ratio always positive, means Poisson's ratio will be always positive, so maintain it is positive, you have to multiply with minus sign, because एक increase करेगा तो दूसरा घटेगा, so there will be always negative sign, so after multiplying with the negative sign it will be always positive. Don't see minus sign, ignore minus sign, just see sigma y by sigma x, and remember whatever the value this come will put the value in positive, ignore the negative sign. ठीक है, negative sign को ignore करना है, just you have to use the change in. ठीक है, hello,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
is it clear? Poisson's ratio, lateral
Yes,
strain
sir.
by longitudinal strain. Lateral means this is lateral in y direction, sigma y, and this
Yes.
is x direction, means
Hmm.
a strain in y direction divided by a strain in x direction. This will give the Poisson's ratio mu. क्वेश्चन करेंगे, क्लियर हो जाएगा. डू दिस क्वेश्चन. Modulus of elasticity and rigidity are 280 gigapascal. Find all other elastic modulus and mu. Means what is given in the question? E and G. E and G are given. So using this formula,
सर आवाज पड़ रही है.
हेलो, आवाज कट रहा है
हेलो.
क्या?
Yes, sir. तो
कट
हाँ
रहा है क्या
सर,
आवाज?
थोड़ा बहुत
अभी सही है. अभी सही है. अभी सही है.
ठीक है,
अब सही है सर.
वो उसमें फोन में कुछ मैसेज आता है ना, तो फिर डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है.
इसमें न्यू नहीं दिया हुआ है सर
किसमें?
क्वेश्चन.
हाँ,
वो
you can
उसके अंदर
find
निकल जाएगा.
mu, you can find from E and G, from this relation.
रिलेशन से निकलेगा सर.
Yeah, equal to 2G
सर
1 plus mu. You have to remember this formula. At least one question will be